Hey guys, Adam here from directiontrader.com. Let's do a recap of today. Talk about what we did in the trading room, and then dive into what we're going to do moving forward tomorrow. Quickly, let's start over here on the daily chart on the S&P. We're going to look at the S&P, and then I'm going to take a quick peek at a couple of the markets here just to give my opinion of what I see moving forward. But for starters here, let's go ahead and start with the S&P here. All right, the S&P, we thought if we could hold these previous day's highs, which we obviously did not, we could possibly get a sell-off here. But if we were to break above them, we were going to look long. And that's exactly what we did today. We started to look to the long side, looking for opportunities to the upside, seeing if we could get some trades. And sure enough, that's what we did. Now, this morning we were really patient, really disciplined. We took a couple S&P trades, and then we actually took a gold trade today to the short side. So most of the move here came later this afternoon in the S&P. So this afternoon there was some trading opportunities. But moving forward, I will look to get above today's highs tomorrow. So we're still in this sideways range here on the S&P and the indexes here. We're still in this sideways range. If we can get up above today's highs, previous day's highs, and get above today's highs, I'm going to look to buy them up tomorrow as we run up towards this resistance. If we decide not to push higher above the previous day's highs, I'm going to be really patient tomorrow. Probably going to be looking for some shorting opportunities below the previous day's highs because, as you can see here, we are creating kind of, if you want to call it, lower highs here. If this thing fails to break above the previous day's highs or today's highs, I'm probably going to look for any type of selling opportunity. But anything above the highs, I am going to go long. So tonight's analysis is absolutely pretty simple. It's basically bullish above, bearish below. It's about 80% of our analysis. But in this situation here, we got to be a little bit more careful because we are coming up on some resistance here. We got this midpoint, which we were, we were kind of fighting whether or not to see if this market's going to push higher, it's going to push lower, what's going to happen. But it's absolutely a no-brainer. If we push above the previous day's highs, we stay below, we're going to look to short. So not a lot for me to bring to you tonight as far as the S&P goes. The only other thing I want to share with you, anybody who was in the trading room today, you will see that targets were hit on this fib that we had drawn. We had drawn this fib in the room, and we said, let's bounce off of this, take pullbacks, and then you see that target was hit up here just above them 40s. So that has filled. You can go ahead and get rid of that and start to move forward. But that one was filled. So anything, watch some previous days highs going into tomorrow, and then see where this thing wants to trade. Quickly, let's take a peek over here at crude. Guys, we got really close here on crude before selling off kind of into the close here. But back on Sunday's video, we said our target here is going to be 56. So we got a little bit more room. We got about 1.5 points more room before we get to these 56s. So anything above the highs of today, look for it to test some 56s before you find resistance. But once again, that previous day's high is going to be something we're going to talk about in the morning. And finally here on gold, boy, what an interesting ride here we've had in gold. As you can see here, we are looking for a little bit of a pullback. We have this channel that we've been talking about for a while now. And I'm just trying to see, are we going to break below our midpoint here and come back and retest these 1220s and 1200? Or is it going to go ahead and get a pop from here? That is the question we're trying to fix. That's the question we're trying to figure out here. And at this point, we're going to continue to watch it. We're going to see if we can break down below here tomorrow. I'm going to be aggressively short if we can get that opportunity. If we decide to pop above the highs, I'm going to get long. If we continue to trade in this sideways fashion, as you can see, look at this price bar from last Thursday. We have traded inside of that bar Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So we're ready. We're due to have a nice big break here on gold. Let's just see if we can get a break here out of this range and then go ahead and go with it. Okay, not really a big big video tonight. Not a lot of detail here. More of an update. But we're simply just being patient, waiting for these markets to get out of these ranges. When they do, we'll be ready to get involved. But until they break out of these ranges, we must go ahead and continue to be patient here so we don't get too aggressive and don't take trades that necessarily don't meet our trading rules. So a little bit quiet today, a little bit patient as far as the as trade goes. 3 trades in the live trading room today. We made a little money, but we are definitely looking for more than that moving forward. So a lot of markets here getting into a little bit of a, if you want to call it a squeeze pattern, and then just preparing to get a break here, and we're ready for it whenever it happens. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, get a hold of me, Adam@directiontrader.com. If not, you can leave a comment below this video. I will get it. If not, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.